Hi, Brandon.Ragan coming from Guaranty RV Super Centers. Want to show you this 2017 Forest River 174 BH. So it's a wood frame metal sided coach. Walk over here and just show you. It's got a full pass-through storage. So you fit a lot of your camping gear, you know, extra tent, chairs, things like that. Room for one propane tank and a battery. It's got about a 10-foot awning, so you put out, again, take some of those chairs, put them outside on that nice weather when you're out camping. So going inside, I will point out it's just a single axle trailer. So real lightweight, easy to tow. So you've got your RV queen bed here with storage up above. Lots of lighting in this coach. It's got two windows on each side of the bed and a window by the dinette here. So as you come in, you'll notice that this dinette will come down, and you can turn that into an extra sleeping area. So this coach will sleep 3 people. And then you got your domestic fridge and a little freezer up above here. And then there's your little freezer. Here we're going to have some more storage, pots, pans, things of that sort. 2-burner Suburban stove. It's got a little monitor here where you can check your gray water, black water, fresh water, and battery levels. Microwave up above. And then here's where you're going to, I said 3 people, you're actually going to be able to sleep a few more because it's got the 2 bunks here in the back. So you're actually going to be able to sleep 5 people comfortably. These bunks have a max capacity of 150 pounds. And then here's going to be our bathroom. I'll get it out of the way. So shower, toilet. And then as you come out just to your left, you'll see you got a little bit more pantry space right behind you here. So it's got a little bit more pantry space as well. This is a 2017 bunkhouse by Forest River. It's a Wildwood product. Call me at Guaranty RV Center. My name's Brandon.Ragan again. 541-214-0223. Thanks.